On this episode of DevKit Weekly, we're going to be reviewing and raffling the XPLR-IoT-1 kit from u-blox. Wireless networks are everywhere these days, so why not use them to connect from edge to cloud and also figure out where you are in the process? Whether you're exploring short-range edge connectivity like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, cellular backhaul options, or maybe even both, you can now blend them with GNSS satellite positioning on a single evaluation kit, the u-blox XPLR-IoT-1 kit. The u-blox XPLR-IoT-1 is an 8 cm by 14 cm by 3 cm fully integrated kit inside this plastic casing that houses 4 onboard modules to support each of the connectivity options I mentioned above and more. The NINA W156 for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the NORA B106 for Bluetooth Low Energy, Bluetooth Mesh, Bluetooth Direction Finding, Thread, Zigbee, and NFC, the Sera R510S for LTE-M and NB-IoT cellular connectivity, and the MAX M10S, which supports positioning via the GPS, Beidou, Galileo, and GLONASS satellite navigation systems. Each module, of course, includes a corresponding internal antenna. Getting right to the point, the MAX M10S module's broad GNSS constellation support provides location accuracy within 1.5 meters, even in difficult non-line-of-sight environments like urban canyons, which is possible thanks to u-blox super signal technology that improves signal reception quality and dynamic accuracy by combining high RF sensitivity and weak signal compensation techniques that deliver significantly more precise speed and positioning data than conventional GNSS receivers. You might think that 1.5 meter positioning accuracy requires battery killing performance. If you thought that, you'll be surprised to learn that the MAX M10S inside the XPLR-IoT-1 kit consumes just 25 milliwatts of power in continuous tracking mode to maximize battery life in devices like asset trackers, or the XPLR-IoT-1 itself, which, it so happens, is powered by a rechargeable lithium polymer battery and can run for hours between charges, even when transmitting every 10 seconds. Now, depending on your application, you may want to get positioning data like you can get from the XPLR-IoT-1 kit, or information from sensors that are on board the XPLR-IoT-1, like an integrated accelerometer, magnetometer, gyroscope, or humidity, ambient light, temperature, or pressure sensors connected back to the cloud. IoT device developers can get that information back to the data center thanks to the XPLR-IoT-1 kit's nano SIM slot, which even includes an embedded SIM pre-configured to work with several cellular networks around the world. With the SIM, you also get a 3-month trial for u-blox's MQTT Anywhere and MQTT Now services, which allow developers to connect directly to the company's ThingStream cloud-based IoT service delivery platform using the MQTT SN protocol. The kit's pre-flashed application software, also available as source code, collects environmental data and positioning data from the aforementioned sensors and publishes it directly to the ThingStream platform, where a data flow manager receives and processes it. A Node-RED dashboard example, also available on GitHub, serves as the default data flow when you start your XPLR-IoT-1 kit to give you a quick and simple data visualization dashboard. Beyond that, a quick start guide contains step-by-step instructions on how to configure the ThingStream platform based on your connectivity of choice, and future updates will also support provisioning through a mobile app and integration of the error correction services Cell Locate and Cloud Locate within the ThingStream platform. Finally, if you're looking to add an application code of your own, which we know you are, you can take advantage of the Nordic NRF Connect SDK, which is supported by the Nordic Semiconductor NRF5340 wireless SoC on the kit's NORA B1 module. The NRF Connect SDK provides drivers, libraries, and the Zephyr RTOS in a single environment that simplifies getting projects off the ground. In fact, everything you need to develop cellular applications is hosted on the NRF Connect SDK GitHub, with the exception of LTE modem firmware, but you can access that from the NRF 9160 SIP webpage. To get programming, you just need to use the serial wire debug port down here. Now that you know how to locate your devices and get them connected, the only thing left to do is get your hands on one of these kits. If you'd like to purchase your own, the XPLR-IoT-1 kit is available from DigiKey for $349. But as always, you can enter the raffle linked to in the description below and on the screen and win this kit for absolutely free. We'll even pay the shipping. Well, that's it for this week. We hope this kit gives you a better sense of where you are in your development. Thanks for watching, good luck in the raffle, and we'll see you next week on DevKit Weekly. For more content from embedded computing design, including behind the scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.